how to use Asana for task management. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into Asana, one of the most powerful tools for task management. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a member of a small team, or part of a large organization, Asana can help you streamline your workflow, keep track of your projects, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. We'll walk you through the basics of setting up your workspace, creating and assigning tasks, and using features like timelines and calendars to stay on top of your game. Let's get started and transform the way you manage your tasks with Asana. Signing up for Asana is a breeze, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, first head over to Asana's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a bright Get Started button right on the home page. It's hard to miss. Click on that button, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. You have the flexibility to use either your work email or a personal one, depending on what suits you best. This initial step is simple and sets the stage for the entire process, ensuring that your Asana account is tailored to your needs. So go ahead and enter your email address to kick things off. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Asana. Open it up and click the verification link inside. This will bring you back to Asana to set up your account. You'll need to create a password and enter a few basic details about yourself and your team. After that, Asana will ask you some questions to help tailor your experience, like what kind of projects you're working on and how big your team is. You can also invite teammates right away by entering their email addresses, or you can skip this step and do it later. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, you'll be taken to your new Asana workspace. From here, you can start creating projects, adding tasks, and exploring all the features Asana has to offer. It's that simple. The list view in Asana is like a detailed to-do list, but supercharged. It shows your tasks in a straightforward, linear format with all the essential details like due dates, assignees, and tags. This view is perfect for those who like to see their work laid out clearly and itemized. You can easily add tasks, reorder them, and break them down into subtasks. It helps you stay on top of what needs to be done and keeps everything organized in a neat, digestible manner. If you're a visual person, you'll love the board view. It's similar to a Kanban board where tasks are displayed as cards that you can move across different columns. Each column represents a stage in your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. This gives you a great overview of your project's progress and makes it easy to see where each task stands. Simply drag and drop cards to update their status, making project management feel intuitive and dynamic. The timeline view, often referred to as Gantt view, lets you map out your project plan visually. It's perfect for seeing the big picture and how all your tasks interconnect over time. You can set start and end dates for tasks and visualize dependencies between them. This helps you spot potential scheduling conflicts or bottlenecks early on, ensuring your project stays on track. Adjusting tasks is as easy as dragging them to new dates, allowing for flexibility and quick rescheduling. The dashboard is your personal command center. It provides visual summaries of your project's progress through charts and graphs. You can track things like task completion rates, upcoming deadlines, and workload distribution. This overview helps you identify issues before they become problems and keeps you informed about your project's health at a glance. Customizable widgets let you focus on the metrics that matter most to you and your team. The calendar view offers a bird's-eye view of all your tasks based on their due dates. It's incredibly useful for planning your work and ensuring you meet deadlines. You can see what's coming up this week, month, or even today. It's also handy for spotting potential overlaps and adjusting deadlines as needed. The calendar view helps you manage your time effectively and keeps your schedule organized. Asana's workflow feature allows you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your processes. You can set up rules that trigger actions based on specific criteria. For example, you can automatically assign tasks, move them to different sections, or update due dates. This automation saves you time and reduces the risk of manual errors, making your work processes more efficient and consistent. The messages feature in Asana is like having a built-in chat system specifically for your projects. Instead of juggling multiple email threads or messaging apps, you can send messages directly within Asana. This keeps all your project-related conversations in one place, making it super easy to keep everyone in the loop. Whether you need to brainstorm ideas, share updates, or ask for feedback, messages ensure that your team stays connected and all the important info is right where you need it. As for the Files feature, think of it as your project's personal filing cabinet. You can attach files directly to tasks or projects, so everything you need is neatly organized and easily accessible. No more digging through emails or different cloud storage services to find that one document you need. Whether it's a PDF, an image, a spreadsheet, or any other type of file, having all your documents in one place means you and your team can quickly find what you need and make sure everyone is working with the latest version. It's a huge time saver and helps keep everything streamlined. Inviting teammates to Asana is super easy and helps everyone get on the same page quickly. Once you're set up in Asana, you can start adding your team members by entering their email addresses. They'll receive an invite to join your workspace, and once they accept, they can dive right into the projects. You can assign them tasks, collaborate in real time, and share updates effortlessly. It's a great way to make sure everyone is involved, informed, and ready to contribute to your team's success. Plus, having everyone in one place makes communication and collaboration a breeze. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to effectively use Asana to manage your tasks and projects. Asana offers a range of features designed to streamline project management, making it easier for you to organize your workspace and keep track of all your tasks. Whether you are setting up your workspace for the first time or are an experienced user looking to optimize your workflow, Asana provides tools that cater to various project management needs. One of the key aspects of Asana is its versatility in task assignment and management. You can easily assign tasks to yourself or your team members, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Additionally, Asana's powerful features like timelines and boards allow you to visualize your project progress and dependencies. Timelines help you plan your project schedule and ensure tasks are completed in a logical order, while boards provide a Kanban-style view that is ideal for managing tasks through different stages. Moreover, Asana offers automated workflows that can save you time and reduce manual effort. By setting up rules and triggers, you can automate routine tasks and processes, allowing you and your team to focus on more critical work. Inviting teammates to join and collaborate in Asana is straightforward, and it helps keep everyone aligned and on track with project goals. Collaboration features such as comments, file attachments, and real-time updates ensure that team communication is clear and efficient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Regular updates and new content can help you continue to improve your project management skills and make the most out of Asana's features. Thanks for watching and happy task managing with Asana.